$1,000. I might make $100. I might make money, but you might come and fail to make money. You know why? Because you came saying, I'm going to make money. Christine said, oh, so and so said we can make money. You need to understand. You need to practice. If truly, it's true you can make money, that's what you needed to know. Truly, you can make money on YouTube. Full stop. Now you go deep down. How do I make money on YouTube? Now, apart from being, Christine becomes like an eye opener. By making money online, let's eat as you are going and it is a Sunday talk. Making money online, does it have a formula? Sometimes there is no formula for it, but only there are strategies. So, like the one I'm eating when I'm talking, I know it is not allowed. It's not good, by the way, but there are sometimes when you have to break the protocols. Is there any way? Is there any specific strategy to make money online and make money on YouTube? For me, you guys, be sincere and very true. There is no specific strategy. There is no that specific wow. You say, if I do this, I'm going to get 1 million tonight. If it was there, as you see, these people who started before are getting very much millions, they would not be there still working. Making money online is like any other business. Just that you have to open your shop, you have to do what on a daily basis. And when you get money, you need more money. So that is making money online for you. Now, what does this mean? If you don't want to run mad on the internet, or you don't want to get discouraged, you need to know things for yourself. This surprised everything, by the way. It applies even to like Christianity, religion, and other things. Most people who get disorganized in some sectors is when you follow what people talk alone, and you don't go deep down to understand them for yourself. If I give you this story, just know it that is a story about money. If I give you this story about money, and when I started social media, I see social media like any other thing, either when church setting, business setting, and other things. When I would read somewhere, you can make $1,000 in a day. I rush and go to make that $1,000. I don't get it. No, the same applies to me now. I'm doing it when I tell you making $500 in a day. You rush and come and watch and ask me, how do I do it? You fail, you don't say it's a scam. No, it's a strategy and understanding what you want. If they tell you Jesus was born on a Friday, you will say, yeah, you'll start singing Jesus was born on a Friday. But go to the Bible itself. And when they talk about that Jesus was not born on a Friday, you shout. Because they told you, and the person who told you respected you, you really trust that person. The same applies. I can tell you making money on YouTube 1,000, you do it in a day. Because you respect me, you trust me, you say yes. And when you go, you don't get it. So the same applies to this concept. You guys understand this concept by yourself. I might make $1,000. I might make $100. I might make money, but you might come and fail to make money. You know why? Because you know came saying, I'm going to make money, Christian said, oh, so and so said we can make money. You need to understand, you need to practice. If truly it's true you can make money, you know, that's what you needed to know. Truly you can make money on YouTube, full stop. Now you go deep down. How do I make money on YouTube? Mm. Now, apart from being Christian becomes like an eye opener. Bible, those pastors become like people to open your mind. But now the rest remains in your hands. If I say you can earn money on YouTube, we understand when do I earn money on YouTube? I saw recently someone sent me a message like, what's wrong with me? I've failed to earn. They have not yet deposited money on my account on YouTube, and I've been on YouTube. So I tell this guy, okay, I tell this person, send for me your screenshot. Send me a screenshot. The person has never reached the threshold, mm, for being payment threshold. In Africa, I understand it is $70, but like in United Arab, it is $100 and other places. You cannot earn before you cannot, money cannot come to you. Now you're here with $1 and you're like, oh my god, how come I'm not earning me? So it's not right. It's a lie, it's not true. No. You need to understand concepts. You need to understand things by yourself. The moment you say, yes, I'm going to start making money on YouTube or online, or I'm going to make money on social media platforms, apps, or free websites, I want to have passive income. I want to really be financially free. I want to use my phone. The moment it comes into your mind like that, you need now to start understanding how, what, when, where. Hmm? So it's not a lie, it's just a gist. I've told you when I joined the social media, even me, I was like that. But me, I was extreme, and extreme to the extent that I really want to understand things. Mm. I don't remain if they tell me, for example, now if you go on social media, you get a lot of things. There's somewhere they will say, if you upload this video like this, it will not get views. Why you're not getting views? You're uploading like this. You run and upload in a right way. When another person who is uploading in a right way, in a wrong way, is getting views, you get frustrated. You say, but I've uploaded well. I've used the right way upload. I say, now you go and disable or click or turn off this setting. You run and turn off the setting. Views are not coming. Oh, maybe you did this. The same. Some people have even reached an extent of imitating, go and copy uh, people's thumbnails and bring them on their on their videos for them looking for the breakthrough. Same things have not gone. You know why? Because they don't want to understand. They don't want to understand things by themselves. So guys, let's understand things by ourselves. Making money will be super simple. Me, I relate it. You know, today is a Sunday. I would relate it to this story. When I joined the family of love, as an I became a born again. What I used to think is crazy. Me, I was innocent. I used to think that everybody that says Hallelujah is clean. Yeah, the heart is clean. No, I forgot that most. Not I forgot. I didn't know. Some people are in Hallelujah, but they take it just to say as a word Hallelujah. So that's why you'll find most people get frustrated in churches. I'm saying this because it is a sign and it is one of my experience, and today is it storytelling. This is a storytelling video. So everything in life, if you hear people telling you, learn yourself. The moment you go extra mile to learn for yourself, you'll not get frustrated. Otherwise, you'll get frustrated in church, you'll get frustrated on making money, you get frustrated at work. When you think only angels are found in church, you find in there are demons also singing in church. You find there are demons also ushering in church. You find there are demons also preaching in church. Then you're like, ah, why I was lied, so it is not true. No, it's not. You hear, you go to money making money, you find that making money is this. You find people who are saying making money are the ones who even who don't have food, who are saying it, they don't have even food. You say, "Oh, and why is she talking about this?" So you need to learn for yourself. You guys, blessed Sunday, and let's go up there and use